So, hello everyone. Uh, I am someone who has been planning to get a degree from the US. I just wanted to get a degree in computer science from the United States of America, so MS in CS. So, as you all know, before going for a MS in US, uh, you have to do a lot of you have to go through a lot of steps, like you have to give a GRE, you have to give TOEFL, and besides that you have to write your SOPs, you have to get LORs from your professor, you, and you have to go through the process of college selections, and after that you can apply for TAs and RAs, and also have to secure loans. So it's a pretty big process all in all. So I've been going through a lot of resources. I just wanted to check how can I maximize my returns, how can I get the best GRE scores, best TOEFL scores, how can I write SOPs, LORs, the main challenge selecting colleges, and everyone wants to get TA and RA so they can spend as less as possible and get highest returns. So I went through a lot of YouTube channels, and I just wanted to make a video where I can review all these YouTube channels. Like, I don't want I don't want people to make the same mistakes as I did. I don't want them to spend a lot of time on going through these resources. I just want to keep it short so that people can go only to the reliable sources. This is my review. This is what I believe from what I've done. I've been going through all these channels for the past more than a year now almost. So I'll start one by one and give you my views about these YouTube channels, and should you believe them, should you take go with them or not. So first one is YM Yash Mitra. So to be honest, I don't think it's a good channel. The guy went to US and then came back. He has no idea about what how things actually go on in US, and he runs a website, as you can see, YM Grad, and he charges almost $1,100 for SOP, LOR, and counseling, which is a lot. And I will not advise anyone to spend so much money on someone who is not even in US, who because you can get a lot of free and better advice from this guy. So I will suggest you guys to simply check other YouTube channels. So I thought I'll rate these YouTubers according to different categories. So you can take my word or you can go through them if you want. This is just my review. So I will give them okay, bad, shit, good, and great. So why I'm glad, I will put it here. It's shit. Just stay away from it. This is my advice for you. So coming to the second one. The second YouTube channel that I went through, and this channel actually helped me a lot. So I have very good experience with this guy, Sajak Porwal. He makes really informative videos. He recently went to US. He's doing an internship, so he knows about how things are going on in US. See, you can see I have seen most of his videos, and he gives you the complete idea about starting from the admission process to how you should select universities and housing, college admissions, everything. So I would say that this guy really gives you a great piece of advice, and you should definitely go and check his channel. So Sajak, I would say Sajak Porwal's channels is in a great category. You can definitely go and check his channel. So the third channel that I want to talk about is UDJs. So what started off as an education channel has been recently turning into a, I don't know, a गरीबों का Casey Neistat, I would call him. So vlogs, and this clickbait titles. You can see this one. I'm afraid, this clickbait. So I would not suggest people to go through his channel. I think it's not good content, and you will hardly find. So if you're talking about how much time you spend on his channel and how much value you get, so I will suggest that you can skip this channel and you can get better advice on some other places. So for me, I would say UD is bad. UDJ is bad. Stay. I would not suggest to check out his channel. Next channel on my list is Parth Vijay Varghese. So Parth has been helping guys since a very long time. He has been like the OG who first started. See, these are 3-year-old videos, and he gives the explanation about everything from loans, bank loans, how to score Magoo, should you go for a tuition for GRE and all, US apartments. He went to US, got his degree, and he's now working as an construction manager. So uh, I would definitely suggest. I think this is the best channel you can go to check out for US news and education. So definitely go to his channel. Let me just. I would say Parth is a great channel, and Sajak is on his way to greatness, I would say.